Hi, I'm Paul Zwiebin of the Zwiebin team at Douglas Elliman, and we are in the heart of the village, 2 Cornelia Street, located at 6th Avenue, West 4th, and Cornelia, the crossroads of the village. We just got apartment 702, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and I'd love to take you on a tour. Let's go. Welcome to 2 Cornelia Street, a landmark pre-war condominium built at the turn of the century to house light manufacturing, offices, and artist studios. The very cool Flatiron construction style makes the apartment unlike typical residential buildings in the neighborhood. Upon entering, 11-foot beam ceilings and a generous entry foyer greet you, while a wall of windows with open western exposures leads you to the modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances and butcher block counters. Continue to the dramatic living room showcasing panoramic views of surrounding areas and romantic postcard views to the north, stretching all the way to Midtown and the Empire State Building. Contemporary Italian light fixtures add to the hip modern aesthetic throughout. The master bedroom is spacious and serene with eastern views. Indulge after a long day in the custom built-in sauna made from Oregon cedar. 2 Cornelia has a full-time doorman, roof deck with stunning views, excellent live-in super, private storage, and central laundry. Live on this charming, intimate village block that is also home to 2 of the top restaurants in the city, Poe and Pearl Oyster Bar. Don't miss out on this special home in one of my favorite neighborhoods in Manhattan. Thank you so much for coming to 2 Cornelia, apartment 702. Give me a call, we'll set up a tour, and I know you'll buy this.